Hello everyone, it's Miss Thomas, and today we are looking at scale factor and a little bit of similarity. So similar figures are figures that have the same shape and proportional sizes. And what I generally tell people to think about is a dollhouse and a larger realistic version of that house. They're just enlargements or shrunken versions of each other. Scale factor is a ratio of lengths of corresponding sides in proportional figures. Which would be the same as saying similar figures. So if we have these two rectangles and we say that this side is 5 and this side is 7, this side is 10, and this side is 14. So the scale factor would be the ratio of the corresponding sides, since these guys are going to be similar figures. So the scale on these would either be 1:2 or 2:1, just sort of depending on which order you're going in, right? So the 1:2 is really going from little to big, and the 2:1 is from big back down to little. But it's basically saying that this triangle is equal to the small triangle times 2, the side lengths are. So let's say you want to enlarge a 4 by 6 inch picture by a scale factor of 3/2. What will the new dimensions be? So imagining we currently have a 4 by 6 picture, we want it to be larger. All we have to do is multiply those dimensions by the 3/2. So 4 times 3/2 is 6 inches, and 6 times 3/2 is 9 inches. So the new dimensions becomes 6 by 9 inch. So you see scale factor a lot on maps, and the scale factor on a map is the map scale equal to the map distance over the actual distance. So an example of this the map distance between two cities is 0.6 of an inch. The scale on the map is 1 inch to 110 miles. What is the actual distance? So if we know it's 1 inch over 110 miles, and we know that the scale is 0.6 of an inch, again keeping that idea of keeping similar things across from each other, inches across from inches, we don't know the actual distance. So 1x cross multiplying equals 66. So we know that the actual distance is 66 miles.